here in the presentation party. First and foremost, the award of the Carbon Kamal catch. And that goes to Raghu. Can we have you step forward, Raghu? And to present that Carbon mobile phone, Dinesh is going to be doing the honors. Sharp catch taken. And Dinesh, well done. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present the Man of the Match award. To do the honors, it's going to be the Managing Director, Big C, Mr. Balu Chaudhary. And the performance that wins the Man of the Match. There were a couple of very outstanding performances with the bat, including one from the captain, Akhil, who scored big towards the end. But the man who chipped in with a wicket earlier and then went on to take his team over the line. The Man of the Match, Sachin Joshi, ladies and gentlemen, for an unbeaten 53 of 29 balls and a wicket to boot as well. Many congratulations, Sachin, not just for the Man of the Match, but for the win for the team as well. The Telugu Warriors start this CCL T10 blast with a win, and it's back to the commentary box.
97 for 4. Telugu Warriors, a very strong reply by them. They had wickets in hand, just losing one wicket. And Sachin, of course, was a shining star. That partnership with Akhil was very valuable. Akhil as well scoring 43. In the end, Telugu Warriors winning by 9 wickets. This is how the game panned out. Both the openers for the Bengal Tigers were in. Joy, lucky early on, getting inside edge, started off pretty well. Yusuf, as usual, very aggressive. Was really a treat to watch. The spinners came in, Sachin Joshi came in, just clearing the infield with a lot of ease. At that time, things were looking really good. The runs were coming back. I think it was a bit of Joy, who had a start but couldn't really capitalize on the 17. Of course, then Uday partnered Yusuf. Had a wonderful partnership. Both the right-handers were really making merry. Mash stroke with stroke, played all around the park. Some improvised shots as well. And they were looking really very well set. Things were not looking great at that stage for the Telugu Warriors because of this lovely hitting, good striking. And both the batsmen were really complementing each other. Very useful partnership for the second wicket between Uday and Yusuf. And some big shots as well coming from the plate. Just taking his left leg away. The runs were coming, matching those gaps as well. And a few airy-fairy shots. But then this was taken by Sachin Joshi, and that was the important wicket. Of course, Joshi was really well, Prince as well, chipping in a few wickets. That was really a good catch as well, taken by the keeper. And in the end, Sandy was a run out, and that was the end of the innings. They got 97 runs as far as Bengal Tigers are concerned. Not a small target. But then Sachin Joshi and Akhil had different ideas. The left and right combination really batted well. Sachin, the shining star, 53 for him of just 29 deliveries. It was Akhil who started playing some big shots, but Sachin Joshi was not to be left behind. The left and right combination were getting runs, in the gap as well, finding those boundaries with a lot of ease. And after the 5th over especially, this opened up. With some glorious shots all around the wicket. This was some lovely hitting coming from the blade of Akhil, and then Sachin Joshi also using his feet to very good effect. The timing got better and better as he stayed at the crease. It was some lovely hitting the end overs from the blade of Akhil. Some massive striking, 3 sixes in a row coming from his blade, and some massive sixes as well. Then is there's a bigger fall caught in the deep. There was a good catch taken by Uday, caught in the deep at deep cover point. But then it was left out to Sachin Joshi, who finished off things in style. Had a good over, played some lovely shots and get into his 50 as well in style. That was another boundary coming in the region of square leg, and then this big hit for his 50 and the win as well for Telugu Warriors. Smiles